So this is my mum tipping the machine harvest in. We've just machine harvest and it's ready to be pressed. So here we go. Yeah, a bit more forward. Bit more. Yeah, that's good. Okay, here we go. Look at that stuff. As you can tell, it's just been machined harvest, ready to press, and now, yeah. It's a big bin full. The biggest bin we've had, it's our third or fourth bin. Yep, she's a good one. Want to get rid of this, that you don't want to go in your press. So just chuck it. The side where it won't go in the press or anywhere. See, this goes up to there, and this is what I have to do.
Tell us what you're doing, Will. Right, good job. Right, now show us what else you do. Around here.